Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how do I connect Windows Share folder on Mac. First of all I am going to Windows machine. This is our Windows 11 machine. Does not matter which Windows version you are using. Windows sharing folder connect on Mac process will same. Click on Windows. Click type here to search. Type cmd. Click open. Now the command prompt is open. Type ipconfig. Press enter. Our Windows 11 machine IP address is 10.0.0.1. Close command prompt. I have already made a share folder. Let's look at share folder. Double click on this PC. Click documents. Data is our share folder. I have created another folder and file under the data folder. Close network folder. Go to Mac machine. Now I am going to change Mac IP address. Click on Apple. Click System Settings. Click on Network. Click on Ethernet. Currently IPv4 configured using DHCP. Click on Details. Click TCP IP. Select using DHCP to manually set IP address 10.0.0.3. Set subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Delete router default IP address. Click OK. Now our Mac IP address is 10.0.0.3. Close System Settings. Click on Terminal. Type ifconfig. Press Enter. Our Mac IP address is showing. Type clear to clear screen. Press Enter. Now I am going to check connectivity between macOS and Windows 11 machine. Type ping 10.0.0.1. Press Enter. As you can see, the Windows machine is pinging. This means our both machine is connected in network. Close terminal. Click Terminate. Go to menu bar. Click Go. Select Connect to Server. Type here Windows 11 IP address 10.0.0.1. Press Enter. Click Connect. Type here username. Type Bob. Bob is our Windows 11 machine user. Type Bob password. Check on remember this password in my keychain. Click Connect. Windows Share folder is showing. Click OK. Now open Share folder. Right-click on this folder. Click on Make Alias. Share folder shortcut placed on desktop. Close network folder. Click on Close. Next time you can open network folder. You can simple double-click network folder and you can access the network folder easily. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.